Okay, we got the Hurricane out today, so I'm gonna give her a shot. Got some obstacles on my runway though. Grass isn't cut, so I can't fly out there, so I'm gonna fly the Hurricane and the Buzzard Bombshell off asphalt. First time for the Buzzard Bombshell to be on asphalt. Should be interesting, and hopefully try to get a big sunset with that Radian. Alrighty. Up, down, that. This plane's pretty potent on 4S, but if you stay on full throttle too long on 4S, ESC gets hot. Oh, and the propeller just sounds like crap because it's not balanced. So just cruise at half throttle, I guess. Flying good. Go shoot the street sweeper dude over that way. Come around. Look at that. That's a beautiful airplane. Sorry about the sun. I'll try to go over it. I think I made it over it. Need to balance that propeller when I get home. It seemed pretty balanced when I put it on. Sorry about the sun. Just brought these planes out to waste time so I can get the glider up and get a really cool sunset, hopefully. Hence, no onboard footage of the Hurricane here. Coming straight at us. Just cruising around slow, taking my time. Oh, there's a car show in town today, so there's a lot of loud cars. Look at that. Sorry about the sun. This thing just flies great. Sorry about the sun again. I can see it. Won't matter if you guys can see it. As long as I can see it, that's all that counts. Oh, update on the battleship. We should have one in the water this week. Would be the HMS. Whoa, that prop is terrible. I had to give her a bit of goose there because there's a pole there. Someone put a pole in my way. Up over the sun so you guys can see it. Well, apparently I should be walking this way now because my warning just happened. So we'll put the landing gear down. We'll come around, make sure it's down. I see wheels over that light post. A nice turn over the sun. Sorry guys. We got no trucks coming from that way. We got a trailer that way. Interesting. We're gonna be bad and we're gonna go over the building. We're gonna turn out there. We're gonna drop the throttle. Throttle is off. On just a bit. Gonna come in for a greaser. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh. Oh, we dragged the tip. Let me make it back. We're gonna make it back, I think. Oh, squeaky wheel. Squeaky wheel and noisy propeller. Okay, that's the eflite Hurricane. Awesome plane if you can find one. Don't know why they discontinued it. Maybe they'll bring it back. They're bringing back some of the old stuff. Could always hope it's 4S, the 3-braid prop, and better landing gear, and a retractable tail wheel. As if they listen to me. Well, I hope you saw the plane. There was a gaggle in there. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Talk to you later.